Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for joining me today. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made a half wig using this tools that I'm showing you right now. So first of all, I've showed you the cap I'm going to be using, showed you the hair extension, and I went ahead to show you the pins that I'm going to use, the wig comb that I'm going to attach on the cap, and then also I showed you the scissors. All right, so moving on, I'm going on to put the cap on the mannequin. Okay, so here I'm using these pins to mark the lines where I'm gonna stop sewing. Okay, so if you have like a marker or a chalk, you can as well use it to do these markings, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just gonna use this. All right guys, so if you're someone you're new to making wigs, you don't really know how to place your extension properly, you can as well use a marker or a chalk to outline where you're going to place the extensions. Okay, or you can go on to use these pins. Like, to me, this pins makes the job so easy. Like, I just have to just place the extension just in a straight line how I want using this pin. All right, so all I need to do is just to go on to sew. Whenever I make wigs, I usually use the 3-knotting methods. Okay, so I knot the thread 3 times. All right, this ensures maximum security. Okay, so once you're done making your wigs, you can wear it as long as forever without you having issues of the thread losing, or like while combing the hair or brushing the hair, you see that the threads are losing from the weft. It's not gonna happen. Okay, so this is a very good method, and that's what I always use, because I don't like, after making my wigs or for my clients, either I experience that or my clients start complaining that the wig I make, that the threads are losing. So I always use 3-knotting methods. Okay, so I would advise you to do that. So for this wig here, all I'm going to be doing is just sewing back and forth. Okay, so you can decide to cut the weft when you get to the end or do a flip over method. So I'm gonna let you watch and I'll be right back. But before I go, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Also, turn on the bell notification to get notified on any of my new uploads. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment good stuff in the comment section, and also don't forget to share this to your friends and family to support me. Okay, I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much, and God bless you and bless your endeavors. Enjoy your video, guys. Okay guys, so I've sewed up to where the pins are. Okay, so that's when I'm gonna stop sewing. All right, so what I'm doing now, once I'm sewing, when I'm sewing, I'll just be removing the pins because I already know where to stop. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I am going to remove the cap. I'm going to remove the cap to flip over. So I'll flip that over and then I'll sew underneath the cap. Okay, so that is the one I'm gonna use to cover the ends. Okay, you see what I'm saying in a moment. So once I flip it over, I'm gonna put a weft on where I sewed the last one inside. Okay, if you're looking at it now, you see the threads. Okay, where my hand is right now, you see the threads. Okay, that is a guideline. All right, remember, if you use like a chalk or a marker, you're going to be saying it. But since I didn't use a chalk, I didn't use a marker, I'm just using the threads as a guideline. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it just very close to the last place I sewed down underneath it. Okay, so I'm just gonna place the weft there and sew it. So once I'm done sewing the weft down, I'll go on to attach my wig combs. Okay, so the wig combs is gonna help hold the wig onto your head whenever you're wearing it. Okay, because this is a half wig. Okay, so I'm showing you the wig comb I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is going to hook onto your head so it don't fall off. So I'm gonna attach this. I'm gonna attach 3 wig combs, 2 by the sides of the in front of the wig and then 1 at the back. Okay, so the 2 in front is gonna hold it onto your head in front, and then the one at the back is gonna hold it onto your head in the back. I sewed on elastic band off camera. That is gonna help secure the half wig properly onto your head. So once I'm done sewing that down, I want to cut the excess cap that is remaining. That is not useful, so we'll just cut it out. So once I'm done cutting off that excess cap, I'll go on to flip the hair over. Okay, use it to cover up the other ones. All right, so this is going to give it a seamless finish look. Okay, all right guys, so for this half wig, all you need to do is do a style in front of your hair, you know, like part your hair into half, do a style on the front, and then pop that bad boy at the back. All right, like half of your head, and you're good to go. Okay, so there's so many cute styles you can actually achieve with this half wig. Like, it's really versatile. All right, so guys, I can't wait to show you the styles, the few styles I'm gonna be using it for. Like, I can't wait guys, this is so beautiful. Okay guys, this is for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.